So if higher than this number, the other way is to use the SRS, called Supplement Retirement Scheme. Supplement Retirement Scheme. These are the 4 points that I want to talk about. What is the maximum SRS contribution that you can contribute? And also, what is the withdrawal benefit? And what are the investable instruments? What kind of product you can invest in? And factors to consider for SRS investment. That is the most important part. Okay, I don't care whether you got more money or too much money or not much money. You need to consider the factors before you open the SRS account. And there's an investment statistic sold by SRS. Okay, it's on the website. And I want to congratulate those that will open the SRS account, because you are one of a very few Singaporean and Singapore PR that open SRS account, right? Because you know there are how many Singaporean and Singapore PR in Singapore? How many?
2.5.
2.5 million. Correct. I think around 3 million. Alright. So how many SRS account we have in Singapore? How many? We have few here. And these few are very small group in Singapore. So there is a statistic, interesting statistic. Many numbers, don't need to read everything. Let's look at this number of account holders. And by column is year. So you see from December 2013, there are only around 91,000 of SRS account in Singapore. Interesting, right? I thought this is very famous investment scheme, you know. But end up, if you just check the statistics, only 91,000 account in Singapore, right? So you can see the statistic, how they construct their portfolio by using SRS on average. They hold about 34% in cash. Even they open the account, they hold it in cash, which is good, because when you open the account, you save tax. So no matter you invest or not, you still save tax. That is a good thing. Unit trust 9%, insurance 23%. I think this is a good move because you can buy insurance and at the same time you save tax. Rather than you buy directly by using cash. Singapore dollar fixed deposit 1%, share ETF REIT 24%. Others 8%. And also they show you the age group as well. And most of the people open the account at around 36 to 55. 36 to 55. There is an optimum age that you should open the account. I will show you the optimum age. Optimum age. Nationality, foreigners are allowed to open SRS as well. Singaporean, 84%. 84% of 90,000 only. There are still many Singapore PR and foreigners don't have SRS account. So I'm going to show you how you save the tax from here. Contribution tax benefit. There are two types of benefit. One is you contribute, you save tax. One is when you withdraw money, you also save tax. Okay, so two types. I'm showing the first type, contributing first. You and your employer can contribute to SRS account. But most likely you will be the only one. Employer don't care, right? Of course they contribute for you. Right? Amount of contribution is tax deductible. You contribute 10,000, you save 10,000 from the chargeable income. Okay. Same thing like this CPF investment scheme in ordinary account. You need to open account with DBS, OCBC, and UOB. Either one. One and only one. You cannot open two. Right? So what is the maximum amount you can get from this tax saving? Annual contribution cap, $12,750 for Singaporean and PR. So maximum you can contribute $12,750 per year. Okay. So if on a tax on a 7% rate, right, you can save 12,750 multiplied by 7%. That is your tax saving. I'll show you the example later. If you're a foreigner, even better, you can contribute about 30,000. Right, 30,000. Okay, how they calculate this number is related to CPF. I just show you here. 15% of maximum cap that contribute to CPF is the cap, is the limit, $12,050. This is a calculation they use. From 2016 onwards, even higher allowable contribution. But this is our info, don't have to know. Don't have to know it. Okay, next one. Tax benefit. This is an example. One example you can save. Without SRS contribution, right? Let's say your chargeable income is 120,000. That means after you deduct those CPF relief, parent relief, kids relief, I don't know what kind of relief. After relief everything, you still need to pay the chargeable income for tax is 120,000. Okay. If you don't contribute SRS, direct multiply this with a tax rate, you need to pay $7,950 tax. 7,000, almost $8,000. Pay to government, contribute to Singapore. Right? It's good to contribute to Singapore, but we want to save for ourselves as well. So if you contribute, how much can you save? How much can you save? So I assume you contribute maximum. With 12,750 SRS contribution, your chargeable income reduced by this amount, become $7,250, and you need to pay only $6,483 income tax. You save about $1,500 for tax. Good or not? But again, there's the catch. I'm going to tell you the catch.